Welcome to our beard trimmer showdown. Today we're diving deep into two popular grooming solutions, the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger Premium and the Showdown 17PC Grooming Kit. Both priced at $99, they offer unique features tailored to different grooming needs. Let's explore what sets them apart and help you decide which one is the best fit for your grooming routine. The MANSCAPED Beard Hedger Premium is engineered for precision with its titanium-coated T-blade and powerful 7,200 RPM motor, making it ideal for thick facial hair. In contrast, the Showdown 17PC set offers versatility with multiple attachments, but may not match the specialized power of the Beard Hedger. Users seeking fast and efficient trimming might prefer the dedicated performance of the Beard Hedger, while those wanting an all-in-one solution may find the Showdown appealing. The MANSCAPED Beard Hedger is designed specifically for beard trimming, offering 20-length settings with a convenient zoom wheel. However, it lacks versatility for other grooming needs. On the other hand, the Showdown 17PC set is a comprehensive kit that includes various attachments for hair, body, and nose trimming, making it a versatile choice for those who want a complete grooming solution in one package. The Beard Hedger's integrated zoom wheel allows for quick and easy length adjustments without the hassle of changing guards. This feature simplifies the grooming process significantly. In contrast, the Showdown relies on multiple clip-on guards for length adjustments, which can be cumbersome and time-consuming, especially for users who prefer a more streamlined grooming experience. In conclusion, if you prioritize precision and a specialized tool for beard trimming, the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger Premium is an excellent choice. However, if you seek versatility and an all-in-one grooming solution, the Showdown 17PC set might be the better option for you. Whichever you choose, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product comparisons.